This lesson is about calculating the volume of a triangular prism. The formula for the volume of a triangular prism is very similar to that of the volume of a rectangular prism. And what that means is that we are still going to have to calculate the area of the base and multiply that with the height of the actual prism. Well, the only difference is the base shape in a triangular prism is a triangle. So that means that the area of a triangle that we're going to have to use is base times height divided by 2. So that makes our formula half the base times the height. That represents the base shape, the area of the base shape, and then we're going to have to multiply that by the height of the prism. Now you'll notice here that there's two heights, and it's important to get these two heights straight. So if we look at the image on the bottom, the base shape is this triangle down here. Well, the 16 represents the actual base of the triangle. And the 10 that's going up and down represents the height of the triangle, whereas the 20 represents the height of the prism. So the first height in the formula is the triangle height, and the second height in the formula is the prism height. The first example is going to ask us to calculate the volume of this triangular prism. Well, we always start by writing down our formula. So volume equals the area of the base times the height. Because this is a triangular prism, the area of the base is going to be base times the height of the triangle divided by 2, and then I'm going to multiply that with the height of the prism. So if I put in my numbers, the base is right here, so 8 times the height of my triangle going up and down is 4, and I have to divide that by 2, and then I have to calculate with the height of the prism, which is right here, and that's 12. Well, 8 times 4 is 32. 32 divided by 2 is 16, and 16 multiplied with 12 is 192. We need a unit of centimeters, and because we are doing volume, that makes it centimeters cubed. So 192 centimeters cubed. Keeping in mind our key words, we could get a question given to us like this. How much sand could this shape hold? Hold, of course, is a key word for volume. So if we look at the shape we're given, it's a triangular prism. So we write down our formula. We want the area of the base times the height. And of course, this is volume, is the area of the base times the height. Well, our base shape, as you can see, is a triangle. So the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2, and I need to multiply that with the height of the prism. Well, the base shape of the triangle is right here, 4, times the height of the triangle, which is right here, is 6, divided by 2, multiplied with the height of the prism. The height of the prism is over here, that's 8. Well, 4 times 6 is 24, and 24 divided by 2 is 12, and 12 times 8 is 96 centimeters cubed. And that's how you find the volume of a triangular prism.